So, what a day. After 3 days of red, we have finally kind of relief ready. 1.6% as of this recording. And because we talked about it yesterday, right? We talked about it yesterday. And I made a little bit of a couple of dollars. What kind of dollars I share obviously in my Discord. I will post it there after the stream, what I did and how much money I make and so on. If you want to join the Discord, click the link below. Thanks 50 or 50 thanks is the code where you get 50% off until the year end. This is my Christmas gift to you. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from, and let's dive in because we are talking about not only space but other stocks and what needs to happen now that this will be a long-lasting bull run. Okay, let's first make sure that you smash the like button, that you follow my Instagram, and with that said, I want to show you first a kind of small a meme, or let's say a small snippet that I have here in my streaming studio that I love to play when I was right. And yesterday we talked about it, that the probabilities are high that all of those negative news about the health crisis and so on are slowly fading out. And there is actually a big hedge fund guy that texted or tweeted something a couple of minutes ago, tweeted something very interesting. But first I will play you the clip that I always love to play when I was right.
So I was right. I took a rash of shit for 2 years, but I was right, and everyone was wrong. And yeah, I got a bonus check for it.
So, I love that movie, The Big Short. If someone wants to watch it, one of the best movies on finance, on stocks, on the financial crisis, everything, okay? Now, let's dive in. So, the S&P 500 plus 1.67. And what is important now, guys, from just a technical perspective, I will show you what is important now. As you know, what is really important, guys, in general, is always the... let me just clear all the drawings here. Year to date, yeah, this is a nice chart. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see nothing. Let's put some indicators. Moving average, the 50 moving average in purple. And we just crossed that. We just crossed that, which is very bullish, okay? For once, this is one big indicator. Another big indicator is always the 100 moving average, which we put, let's say, darker purple. Also very important, but didn't touch it. Here we touched and then we bounce back. Here you see also after we moved back in, we had kind of a relief rally, so could be something like that. Then it's something that is very crucial. That's why I put this in, let's say, in reddish. Sorry, yeah, in reddish will be the 200 moving average, which will be much more down, as you can see. This is like if the S&P 500 crosses this, then you can sell everything. You can sell everything, okay? I will show you when this happened. This happened, for example, here. This was the 27th of February, and what happened afterwards, we know. Here also, it's a strike here, and we had a huge downwards rally. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, as you can see here, this is very important. But what I read today from a very good, interesting person is the 8 moving average. Let's put it in yellow. And also, I have to zoom in, or I have to change the color. Can I change the color? Yeah. Let's put it in green. So. And also the 20 moving average, okay? Because I have read, let's put it in orange. And let's zoom in now, okay? And now you can see we crossed the 50 moving average, which is already bullish. We are crossing the, 20 moving average, also bullish. And now it's the question, can we close above the 8 moving average, which would be somewhere around 465 something. Okay, so this would be very bullish. Then you can, you know, hope that this will continue for a couple of days. But now it's a little bit tricky. It could bounce back. It can bounce back. Important is now this, that it holds the 4,613. And other than that, you know, this is the outlook on the technicals on the S&P 500. Okay, now let's jump into space. Space is obviously all below those averages, way below though. The only average that we are kind of matching here is the 8-day moving average. But as you can see from the most important one here with the 100 and the 50 moving average, we are far away. So don't expect too much here from space. Significant news need to happen for this stock to really bounce significantly and hold those areas. Okay, now let's go to this news that I said by Bill Ackman on my Twitter. If you haven't followed me yet, follow me on Twitter. It's very simple, Wolf underscore investing, and this is it. Okay, follow me there, and let's cross the 2,000 followers mark, and then I'm posting here a couple of stuff usually. And here I posted something that Bill Ackman actually posted, and he is a big hedge fund guy, was in the news quite negatively when in the heart of the health crisis, you know, bought a huge insurance and everything went down. But anyway, what is important now is that he spoke with the president of a major New York City hospital system, and they had blood tests from patients. And this blood test, even though it's very early, but it's basically showing that the inflammatory markers are the slowest or the least that they found in any variant. So if this is true, this is very, very bullish for the markets as well. Okay, so this is something that is to further observe. With that, it's real that you are maybe we are maybe closer to the end than to something big. Okay, then what else? Tomorrow there comes a very big video of mine, my daily vlog, where I have a new price tag of $198 for a space share. How I come to this price and everything tomorrow in the video, very important. And let me shout out, let me know, guys, if you tell me in the comments where you are watching from, then you will get a shout out. Okay, so here we go. Gallardo Steve, our member, is from Holland, Netherlands. Then we have Netherlands in the house. We have Korea in the house. We have Canada in the house. We have Berlin in the house. We have Italy in the house. And then Steve Johnson is asking, hey man, you think that the price would stay low in the first week of Jan 2022, where I would be able to move more money into my RI and buy more space? I would say yes. And you know why? Because there's no event, no company announcement, or anything that would really in the first week of January move Virgin Galactic stock quite significantly. You know, obviously if they come out with something that is not on the map at all, then but I think until really something happened like newsworthy for Virgin Galactic, and this could be the first quarter earnings in the year 2022, where they talk about the Q4, I think sometime in February. Let us have a look if I'm quarter earnings Virgin Galactic Nasdaq. So I think that until then you should be very, very let's say safe. Okay, let's have a look. When was the report for last year? Okay, so last year we had the report, or this year we had the, I'm already in the new year. So last year, so this year what we had the report for on the 25th of February. So around that date, you can expect maybe some news that can move the markets. And until then, I think the stock should be a little bit stable on those low levels. But who knows, right? Just my best guess. So thank you very much for watching, and also shout out to Norway. Thank you very much. Follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Smash the like button, and thank you very much that you turned on. It's a great day. Tomorrow will be maybe a continuously great day. Let's see what the S&P is doing right now as of this moment. Yeah, it's a little bit losing a little bit of the traction. Let's see. It's a great day. And yeah, if you want more, join the Discord.